All right, what's up, everyone? I want to show you the McDonald's Lux Algo secret sauce strategy. Try saying that 3 times.
Holy! I can even do it backwards. Do chuck 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 wow wow.
But I found a strategy that within Lux Algo that's not really taught. It's a strategy that I developed myself, and I love it. It makes things very, very simple. I've been teaching people for years how to trade, and with this simple strategy, we've been able to identify highly profitable setups, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, how to set it up, and how to win with it. So let's go. Hey, my name is Kenan. I'm the creator of Wall Street Moses, and today we're going to be going over a really cool strategy that you can use with Lux Algo and exactly how to set it up, make it work for you, and be a really good asset when it comes to your trading. So let's get right started. So this is the finished product. I'm going to break this down. I'm going to show you exactly how to get started. So let's kind of break everything, take it all off here. So what we're going to do, obviously, you need Lux Algo Premium to be able to use this first indicator. And the first indicator is Lux Algo Premium. I'm going to put that onto your charts here. So let that load. So this is how we're going to set it up. We're going to set it up in a certain way. 1, you want to have the signal mode on confirmation. 2, you want to set the signal sensitivity to 6. Then from there, you want to change it from confirmation gradient, simple to confirmation gradient. And then the last thing you want to do is set this to 24. So now you got that set up. The second thing you want to do is go into your indicators. You want to search another Lux Algo indicator, and that is our main indicator, McDonald's indicator. So the McDonald's pattern. Basically what this pattern does is identifies tops and bottoms in the market, but we're going to use it in a different way to still do the same thing, but make it to where be more effective for you. But before I go into how to set that up and doing it that way, I'm going to show you this indicator. And this one is going to be the Lux Algo Super Trend. So Super Trend Oscillator Lux. I'm going to put that there. That you're going to leave at default settings. Let's set the McDonald's pattern up correctly. What you want to do right now, it is set to length of 30. That's just going to be for your big swing trading, tops and bottoms. We're not really using it for swing trading. We're using it for trend market structure trading, basically to where you are taking trades on an intraday level. So our length, we're going to change it to 11. And then to make this look a little bit better, we're going to change the width to 20 on the second one. So now you have this completely set up. So here's the strategy. On sales, you want the super trend to be printing red bars. What that means is the market is in a downtrend. So you have the market completely in a downtrend at that moment. The second thing is you want the McDonald's pattern to be showing an M. It'll also show W's, and I can kind of look for a pair where it'll do that on. So right here. So you have it's showing you a W here, and that's for your upward bullish signals. But let's go back to our pair. All right, now that we have everything set up, let's go right into doing the strategy. There's 3 key components to the strategy, just 3 components. And the first one is you want to be trading in trend. How do you do that? With the Lux Algo Super Trend Oscillator, you have it to where you could be trading in trend when the Super Trend Oscillator is printing red bars. So it's letting you know that the market is in a downtrend when it's doing that. As we go back, we have the super trend going up, letting you know the market at that point was an uptrend. The second thing is for a sell, we're going to use that example since we have it up, is we want, of course, the McDonald's to be printing an M. You'll notice it's printing an M1 with the red plot behind it, the background, and of course the shape of an M. The third thing is when the M is starting to complete. So when you have an M with the McDonald's pattern, you'll have it start on a burger, and on fries, burger, fries. So you want to sell after the fries, and then on an uptrend, let me see if I can find one that's going up, you want to buy after the burger. So let's go back. So we have our fries, which is creating the last leg of the M. That's the start of the last leg of the M. And all we're waiting on after we have this is a confirmation signal through Lux Algo. So we have downtrend, M, confirmation signal. That's as simple as that. And I like this because this combination actually does a very high level analysis while making it very simple. The reason that this is a high level analysis is that it's showing you, if I broke it down without the indicator, you have a lower low, which is a downtrending swing. Then you have a lower high, and then you have a lower low that's forming. Like it's looking for its next lower low, which would hopefully be down here. Reason this is very powerful is the McDonald's pattern identifies points in the market where orders are accumulating through price action, and things that may have been hard to spot out, especially if you're brand new, becomes very easy with this pattern. So all we have to do is wait for the trend to show red. You get the McDonald's M pattern, and you see like you have this fries here. We got this strong confirmation right after here, right after the fries. So right now would be a good time to trade based off of this pattern for GBP/USD. Let me see if I can find a buy example. So right here, we have a buy example. The super trend is going up. Then you have your McDonald's pattern forming a W pattern. So you got your burger right here. You got your buy signal after the burger. Now, as far as stop losses and take profits, this is what I would do. You have your buy here. Based off of the way this pattern's set up, you don't want, the market shouldn't go beneath the burger. And you want to target at least a 2-to-1 trade. So wherever the burger is, that's where you're going to put your stop losses for a buy. And then for a sell, going back to our other example, you have your sell here. So it's sold after this level here. You want your stop loss to be at the fries. So 50 there, and you're looking for 2-to-1. So you're looking for a 2-to-1 trade. So potentially 100 pips you're looking for. And on GBP/USD, that's pretty easy to get. So with this confirmation set, it's very easy to identify patterns. And most people don't know how powerful. They kind of, they see the McDonald's, they say, oh, it's cool, nice little name. But if you could really understand how powerful the strategy is, then this McDonald's pattern is going to be literally the secret to you being a successful trader. So I hope that this helps. I'm really loving this strategy. It's a very simple strategy. Even a beginner can trade this strategy. So hope this helps. Let me know in the comments how you like this strategy, and I'll see you at the next video.